What's going on, guys? Caleb here at 86 Speed. Today I'm coming to you guys with a quick video. We're going to be showing you how to install the JDM Clear Side marker on the 2022 BRZ and GR86. Super quick video, so let's get straight into it. So here's a general comparison so you guys can see the difference. Of course, obviously the JDM OEM side marker is going to be clear. Something notable also is that it does have this little like arrow bulge on it that actually houses the LED inside. So the LED itself is still going to be amber, but the lens is nice and clear. So instead of it being a amber bulb, amber lens, you're going to have your clear lens with your nice amber LED bulb. So getting into the actual removal of the side marker, the only tools you'll need is a 10mm for the 10mm bolt that is on there, and then a screwdriver or push pin of your choice to remove the actual clips that are on the fender liner. So the first step to remove the side marker is going to be these 3 push clips right here. So to remove these, what you're going to do is you just take your screwdriver here in my case, and you're going to push the center of the clip in. You'll hear a pop, then you'll just get underneath it, pop it right out. You'll do the same for the other 2 on both sides. From there, you'll just peel back the fender liner and it will reveal the 2 clips on the side marker as well as the 10mm bolt that's hidden behind there. So once you have your clips off, the next step you're going to do is to pull the fender liner back away from the side marker. This can be a little tricky depending on whether or not you have fingernails. Once you have the fender liner pulled back, it exposes both the 2 push clips that hold the side marker on, as well as this 10mm bolt here at the back. In my experience, you can do this with a normal wrench, but I like to use a ratchet that has like a slight angle to it. It just makes it a little bit easier to actually access that bolt. So you'll just slide your ratchet onto the bolt itself. You'll break it loose. And then you should be able to just screw it right off. Give it another turn. Now it's nice and loose. You'll just unscrew that bolt there. Set that aside. From there, there's a clip on the bottom of the side marker as well as the top. All you'll do is push those clips together. And then the side marker comes right out. Once you have the side marker out, you'll just push down on this little tab. From there, you'll just grab your new side marker. You'll go ahead and reverse the steps. Make sure you plug it in. And then you'll go ahead and realign both those clips and snap it back into place. Remember, you are gonna wanna reinstall that 10mm bolt. It's very easy to, once it's in there, it's nice and snug with those clips to forget that it does have the bolt on the back. A couple times already I've left the bolt off, but you are going to want to put that on there just to ensure that the side marker does not fall off. We really like the design of the new side markers just because gone is the hassle of having to deal with those little tiny flimsy metal A clips, B clips, and C clips on the old generation side marker that were prone to failing, and your side marker would fly off anytime you're at highway speed. So now you don't have to worry about that with the new plastic clips and of course the bolt that holds it on there. Once you have the bolt back on the back, you'll just take your ratchet, tighten that up. Just a little bit more than hand tight. It's not very tight. You don't want to strip that. Then you'll reset the fender liner. You'll push those clips back through, put it back to the fender liner, and pop it right back down. And that is how you install the JDM OEM Subaru Clear Side markers.